Girls, who pooped in the kitchen? Sunny, you pooped in the kitchen?
Who took the cookie off the counter? Who stole the cookie off the counter? So I'm going to ask you one last time. Who stole the cookie off the counter?
Chase, what you got in your mouth, baby? Huh? What's in there? What you got in your mouth, puppy? Do you have something in your mouth, baby? You're a good boy. Yes, you are. You're a good boy. Oh, there you go. Oh, what was all that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tater tots. 9 is the magic number today.
Which one of you was it? Who did this over here? Who did all this? Oh, I can't believe you. Who did Mommy's shoe? Who did it? Bowling, why can't you look at me? Is it because you don't want to give sister up? Oren, who did it? Bowling, why don't you tell me? Who did this? Who made the mess?
Daisy, look at me. Did you eat this? No? Daisy, did you eat this? Did you eat that? No? Did you pull this off? Huh? Did you pull this off the wall? Did you pull this off the wall? Huh? Did you do this? Huh?
Who chewed the paintbrush? Who chewed the paintbrush? Show me, did you chew this? Riley? Did you chew that? Is that you? Riley.
Damn it! What are you doing? Lexi? Who made this mess? Who did that?
What did you do, Sam? What did you do with the toes, Sam? Did you chew up the hose?
Did you eat all of your treats? Cooper?
Come here. Hey, you have a good day? Come here, you have a good day? Did you have a good day? Come here, Missy. Did you have a good day? Huh? Did you have a good day? Daddy loves you. You have a good day? But who tore my pants up though? Oh, y'all don't want to talk about that? Y'all don't want to talk about that?
Seem to have a problem, don't we? Is this? Yeah. Okay. Now then. You. Doing this?
Are you happy, boy? Oh. So I keep petting you then? Oh, okay. Oh, Pluto.
Malgo, look at me, Malgo. Malgo, did you chew this? Did you chew this? You chewed it, huh? Are you guilty? Did you? Malgo.
You chew the chopping board, Chloe. Did you do it? Did you chew the chopping board like this on all corners? Chloe, that's such a bad girl. Don't look at me.
Who did it? Major? Gracie?
Who did that? Don't look up there. I'm talking to y'all.
What is this? Pepper, did you do this? Look at me. Did you do this? Is that a guilty? Pepper! Oh no.
Who did it? Who did it? Roxy?
Is there a wild animal in our house?
Who did this?
Did you do this?
Are you bad? Are you bad? Buck, were you bad?
Zorro, who did all of this? Who did all of this? He did this? Who did this?
He only takes like 3 brushes. Why don't you just be patient? You do that?